Good morning, good morning. It's a brand new day. Let's stretch and smile and start the day our way. Hi, friends. I'm Jemy. Are you ready to start the morning with me? We're going to do our morning routine together. It's going to be so much fun. Great job waking up. Now it's time to get ready for the day. It's potty time. It's potty time. Flush and wash and you'll be fine. Don't forget to scrub your hands with soap and water. Let's scrub together. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You did it! Now we have clean hands. Hooray! Now it's time to brush your teeth. Don't forget, you need to brush your teeth for 2 minutes. Let's grab your toothbrush. Brush up and down. Go round and round to keep your smile so bright and sound. Great brushing, everyone. Let's see those smiles. You have an amazing smile. Now it's time to wash your face and do our hair. Let's do it together. Splish, splash, fresh face. Now let's comb our hair in place. Now let's brush our hair, all nice and smooth. Your hair looks great. Time to get dressed. Can you find your shirt and pants? What color are they? Wow, you're going to look so good today. Now that we're dressed, where do our pajamas go? That's right, in the hamper. Let's put our pajamas away together. Nice job being tidy. What's for breakfast today? Maybe toast? Eggs? Fruit? What are you having? Wow, that sounds delicious. Healthy breakfast gives you power to run, jump, and play for hours. And don't forget to drink some water too. Let's take a big sip together. Now let's pack our bag. I've got my hat, water, my snacks, and my schoolwork. What are you bringing today? That's great. Now don't forget to double check you have everything. And then we're good to go. Now before we go, let's say our morning affirmations. Repeat after me. I am kind. I am strong. I can do great things. And I'm ready for a happy day today. Great job, everybody. Now we're all ready for the day. You brush your teeth. You washed your hands, packed your bag, and you got dressed. Wow, friends, you're all amazing. Goodbye, goodbye. We had some fun, but now our day has just begun. I hope you have an amazing day today. See you soon, my sunshine crew.